R.A.R Music, and in this video I will try to unboxing and review this phone. It is the Galaxy A52 by Samsung. So why about this phone? Because my old phone, this one, the Galaxy Note 4 in 2014, the release date, it's already 7 years old, and some problems just occurred there because the old phone is actually is not updated anymore, more than 5 years. So the Galaxy A52 is my go-to because it just released in the beginning of this year, and I will tell you why I buy this at the end of the video. So the first thing I need to do is unboxing this handphone. Here we go with the Samsung A52 right here. So you see here, there are a sign that do not accept this if the seal is already broken. So I will broke this. Yeah, as you can see here, I will adjust the light right here. I think the light is not good enough for this kind of product review, or it's too, yes, it's too bright. So the better mode is here, the warm light version. I will use to review the Samsung Galaxy A52. Whew. The price is about what, $300. I am from Indonesia, and in my country the currency is in rupiah, so it is the 5.5 million rupiah, or if we convert it to the dollars, it's about $350, I think. 350, yes, it's, I don't know, it's about the $400. Yes, it's about the $400. And let's see what is inside. Okay, so in the normal speed again, this is, I already broke the seal here, and let's open this box. So what's in the box is, you will see here. So first thing, I will try to pull out what is this. So you will get the key here to do some reparation or open your box. So there are a QR code here, and I don't know what's inside. Oh, so the inside is, oh my god, the Samsung actually giving us the clear case. This is the silicone gel case. I'm not expecting that. I'm not expecting that at all. So they give us the, I think I don't read, they give us the what, cover. And that's unexpected for me. This is the manual, the manual book, as you can see here, and then this is the quick start guide. I kinda unexpecting this part of the box. And then of course we will get the I don't know what is here. It is the email or the identification for your phone. And then you get whoa, what is that? Sorry. And you will get this. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A52. As you can see, this is Infinity OLED display, quad camera, 64 MP with OIS or video stabilizer. And then this is the IP67 water and dust resistant. So this is a very strong phone if you ask me. And I choose the white version, so the color is in many colors. I think it's black, violet, blue, green, and white. So I choose the white one. As you can see, there are a sign here, and yeah, I need to charge this phone before I use it. So that's how you use your phone. So the signature A series, it's right here. It's the quad camera. And then what's again in the box? I'm not expecting that clear at all, so I don't know what part of this. I think it's empty. Oh, and this one is falling. It is falling. So it comes with the adaptive fast charging, the 25-watt fast charging. So it still use the cable to charge it because it's not the flagship models of Samsung phone. So I need to charge my handphone first before I use it. That's what the manuals tells me, because I use Samsung since 2011. I think my first phone was a Galaxy Note 1, and then I upgrade that. I bought the Galaxy Note 4 that I use until now before I buy this one. And this one is Galaxy A52. So this is my newest phone. I will explain to you why I choose the Samsung Galaxy A2 over many phone. Actually, I am a Samsung. If you are asking me, I think I'm the Samsung loyal customer, because I use Samsung all of my life, almost half of my life, I think. And I love Samsung. The build quality is there. Anything that I need is there. So why I choose the A52, and I compare it with so many phone that Samsung just released about since 2019 until now. So the first handphone that I actually want is the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, but it's actually not available anymore in the brand, in the new box version in my country. And then my second choice is the S10 Plus, but that phone was released in the February of 2019, and that means that phone is 2 years old now, or more 2.5 years old now. And that means in I will just use that phone in another 2.5 years, because more than 5 years the phone actually stopped upgrading the Android version and stop getting any update for that phone. Like my Note 4, it stopped the um, updating anything inside my phone since 2020, last year, the beginning of 2020, when the Note 10 Lite just released. So they stopped the anything that will support the Note 4. That's the reason why I need to buy the new phone this year, because I can't use it in the next year because there are no updates at all for my phone. And in between the A series and M series, it actually the middle price range from this for the Samsung. The M series has the bigger battery, but I think it's unnecessary because the chipset is Exynos. So Exynos need more power, and that means it will use the battery. It will use the battery less efficient compared to this one. So the A series, the A32, A52, and A72 use the the 32 not using that chipset, the 52 and the 72 using the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it's more efficient even though the battery capacity is lesser than the M series. The second thing that I choose between M and A, because the A series, as you can see here, it has the Infinity O display, so it has a better display. The second thing is it has the quad camera 64 MP with always in the rear side, and in the front side if it is the 32 MP camera. And then this is the IP67 water and dust resistant, which the M series did not have that, doesn't have that. So the A series, in my opinion, has a better build quality. And why I choose the 52 instead of the 72, it's because the 72 just has the more feature in telephoto, if I'm not mistaken. So the quad camera here, it has the higher megapixel, but in one of these three, one of these four only. And it got larger batteries than the A52, the 4500 mAh, if the A52 is just only 4000 mAh, if I'm not mistaken. But what makes me choose this over A72, it's because the price. So the A72 has $50, $75 more expensive than the A52, with just two differences, which is the camera, the telephoto features, and also the battery capacity. And only for that two features, the price range is much larger. So I think it's not worth it to buy. It's actually worth it, but if we compare it to the A52 is more worth it, worth the price. So that's it, the unboxing and the review of the Galaxy A52. I hope you like it. From now until later, I will use this one as my main phone. Thanks for watching, see you next time.